Good shot, boy! Bagal na naman. Go to the street, huh? 45.
David!
45?
45, right? Yeah, 45, 10. Hey, what Junior, like name on the league website? Hey.
Rampasatsing.
Rampasatsing.
Yeah.
I have a change here once. No good manager, boy. I'll fire you later. I'll take you in the bathroom and fire you.
Carry up.
Once we got bully you living. I'm praying them, right? Hey, stop disturbing mine.
Hey.
Go pray about it. You might go forward and come back. Oh. You gotta put somebody close to next to them, man, boy. Garage. Come on, put somebody close in. Why relax? Put somebody in there. All in, buddy. All right. Back.
Come on, Ranjay.
46 4.
Give me 11.
Which team you on? Which side you on?
Mine's a supporter of cricket.
Yeah, I got team, huh?
No, you can't get team if you're a supporter.
Oh, what I do it. My son and grandson are played there and the son-in-law played there.
What? You see what you want? There's a
Ah,
picture on the
sorry
field
for
too?
your grandson, yeah.
Yeah. The father they there.
Uncle, he has beer and thing over there. Yeah.
Yeah?
Junior was bowling the son-in-law.
Oh, Junior is there, son, huh?
Yeah.
It's no way.
Saif and the grandson. And his father,
Go back now, go back. Get a big 6 there.
he go at 29. 29 or 20 or something like that. I get. I'm at 29. Yeah, we'll go see the butcher.
Oh, sayang.
Saif's father.
Let me hit enemy.
Oh, that's so. You. That's good. That's good. That's good.
No, that's no wine, bro. That's a enemy.
Yeah, right. That's good.
The next batsman last name is Turman.
He's talking to you, right?
Oh,
The batsman.
I'm okay, right?
Yeah.
Praise God.
Yeah, next two one.
Where's the other brother? The couple brother used to play there?
They got his other brother and then I think his uncle and his son Kai and Nigel Trauma.
Wanna play?
His brother plays on another team.
So cool.
Oh, that's what you guys do? Shot boy!
They gotta find that.
This is 11 done. 7 1? Yeah, 6, okay. So we got 50, right?
You got 52. How much runs you got in those?
I had 6.
I got 7.
That's 7, so that's...
Somebody got me the single somewhere.
Who made a single? It's the last ball after the wicket.
So 4 to 6, so if you had 7.
5 to 6. And 7 right.
4. Rashid Bakr in the ball, right?
Want a beer?
Yeah. Yeah, by the way. There's a big book.
Beer like start fight, getting old.
I don't know.
Hindi ka tiniguyo.
Why the ball up here?
Beer take licks. They're only both good when you're coming out good on the beginning. Not bad.
Eh, rondo.
Not bad. Shot boy. Shot bear! What a shot boy! Stay with the game, beer!
You're like a professional hardball player, right? Cover,
Yeah.
backward point, or I'm gonna see you next. Really good hardball player.
Really good hardball. When we first started playing, beer opened a bat for this team for like 2 years, 3 years straight. Including hardball.
Oh, you guys have a hardball team too?
So when we first started playing cricket, we used to play hardball. What a shot, Bear! What a shot!
Go got him quick by 62.
Look around the ball, right?
Yeah, 12 more. You just start goes for the 6 bite.
Di boleh nak ikan kop?
Shot beer! Shot boy! 4 below! Play up here! Oh, my mama! Take the strike, man. Take the strike! 67? 67. 67? Yep. Oh, upside here. Huh? No, doggy. What happened? Who you play? 50. You got 67, right? Yes, sir. Oh, no, yeah, the no ball doesn't count. Oh, does it? There was a no ball. I mean, no, not a no ball. I'm sorry, a bias.
No, you already scored a bite.
Oh.
67. It doesn't keep count against the bowler. The dot ball for the bowler. Only thing counts against the bowler is a wide and wide and a no ball.
Oh, 1 to 2? Yeah. So that's 70?
No, 68, man.
Wait, hold on. I had 67 in the previous one, right? So 67.
One now the score, which is 68. 37.
The no ball and no white.
What no ball and no white?
I thought you said. Oh, okay.
Now already score already, boy.
So, how much balls you got in that over?
Right now, that's 4. That, 1-1.
What's going on? How much you guys chasing?
183 to 3. 3 runs, 69 for 4.
13 down.
69 for 4. 13 over, right? So Beer has a 4, 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 1.
Yeah, and 7 for total.
6, 7 for 69, 6 to 4.
Not bad.
I got 70 white home this morning.
No, that's not. That's not.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can take a beer now.
Hey, are you lucky, Ross? I bring this guy back from New York, okay? If he wants to be here, come here playing today. I play with you already. Hey, the guy said wasn't a bad trade. The guy said wasn't a bad trade.
Yeah, he was on the train last night.